Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing focus. Choose a niche and 3-5 product types that convert. Once chosen, create your Shopify account and install a lightweight theme so pages load fast. Now join affiliate programs and copy your affiliate ID and tracking links into a secure doc. After that, install an affiliate link manager app and add a clear product page template. This lets you paste links directly and standardize descriptions, so your first products go live within a day. Now you refine the middle. Craft product pages that sell by leading with benefits, 3 images, specifications, and a single clear CTA. Make sure every affiliate link uses UTM parameters and enable tracking in Shopify apps so you can attribute conversions. Produce 1 long-form blog review, 3 short videos, and set up an email capture with a simple lead magnet. Once done, test links in incognito, verify cookies persist, and segment traffic sources for better optimization later. You finish by launching and promoting. Run a focused 7-day campaign using 1 paid channel plus organic posts and your email list, making sure to push bestsellers first. After launch, scale by duplicating the highest converting pages and running a /B tests on headlines and CTAs to lift conversion rates. Monitor analytics daily and adjust bids and creatives. If things go wrong, check tracking and redirects. Test affiliate links in multiple browsers, confirm cookie duration, and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.